Nagkita kasi kami ng boyfriend ko eh. Maka-check mo kung okay yung tsura ko. Okay ba? Baka may kulang. Maganda ka naman sis. Pero parang may kulang. Yung lips mo, parang medyo maputla at medyo dry. Maputla ba? Girl, try mo tong Pure Tint. Hindi lang siya basta lip tint. Pag ginamit mo to, for sure, may in love sa yung jowa mo.
Say goodbye to dry and dull lips. Introducing Pure Tint, the affordable, long-lasting, and moisturizing lip tint that stays for up to 12 hours. Perfect for achieving that fresh, no makeup look with a natural sheer finish.
Ang ganda ng ngiti niya. You look so beautiful today. Lalo na yung lips mo. They all look so natural and perfect.
Ah, talaga? Salamat.
Oo naman. Ang ganda nga ng kulay ng labi mo eh.
Ah, ito? Pure Tint lang.
With Pure Tint, feel confident that your lips stay soft, vibrant, and kissable all day and night. Pure Tint, bring out the beauty in your lips.